everyone, welcome back to the Awesome Big channel. Today I'm back here to tell you about the configuration of the Python with the VS Code on the Windows 10 platform. So I'm listing here. You can directly visit on the download Python on the python.org and you can find it the download link over here. So I'm going with the latest version of the 3.7.2 and you can see the rest of the version has been mentioned here on which date it has been released with the release date and the release version as well. So the latest which is going on the 3.7.2. So I have downloaded it, and while clicking on install you can see the two options which is install now and custom installation. So I will go with the custom installation. So before going with the custom installation, I am going to create one folder on the root directory with the name whatever you want. So I'm creating here with the name Python, and under this directory I will be creating and installing the Python. So I have clicked on the customize installation. All the options will be left as in default. Next, install for all users, or you can skip this. So this path which I want to change, so basically you can go or you can directly paste that path. So I am browsing this to my PC and then the C drive and my the folder which I have been created, and I am clicking on OK. So basically this is the root, okay, and I'm clicking on install. And before that I have been created one folder under my development for the VS Code, which will be my workspace with the name which I have been created Python project. You can name whatever. This will be a fresh project, fresh folder as well, and you can create whatever the name you want. So as of now I have created the Python projects with the folder name, and now you can see the progress of the setup is in progress. So it's installing here, and till then we will be opening the VS Code. And in the VS Code what we do, we need few extensions. I will show you. One is the Python, second one is the second which is the ESLint. So I will show when to install. Let it be installed first. So it's almost done here, and see it has been done. The setup was successful, and if you can see the path over here, the C drive, Python, and all you need to do is you can set the environment variable. But what I have been noticed, by setting an environment variable, without setting an variable as well, I am able to run the job in one of my previous system. So firstly I will be continuing without setting up the environment variable. You can set it later on. Whatever you need to do, you just need to copy this, and you can just go ahead and create with the /python dot whatever name you want .exe, and that will be your environment variable of the path, the system variable. And now I will be going to add a workspace over here, or you can say as a folder. So folder, you can navigate to the whatever the drive and the folder which we have been created. So here I have been created Python projects. So I am selecting this project here. So here is the folder. What I will do here, I will be installing few extensions, which is the Python. ESLint as well required, but that it's optional. We can put it as a later on. So what I will do, I will create one file over here, my first program.py. py is mandatory, which is an extension for the Python, and you can see this is installed. There will be two errors, the which I am talking about. The pylint is not installed and no Python interpreter is selected. So the basic means first one is to set an Python interpreter through which the Python get executed. So you can select the C python.exe. You just make a note whatever the path you have been set at the time of installation. This could be the same, okay. So I'm putting it here. So you can see one more folder of the VS Code has been created, and with setting.json is there. And in the setting.json you need to confirm whether the path where the installation is done is same, means this and the path here should be same, which is almost the same. If you have not made any changes over it, you just need to cross verify it. So okay, so this now has been done, and you can download the extension over here, Python, and the ESLint is not mandatory. You can just download a Python and one more is linter pylint. If you will search here pylint, it's not getting over here. So might be I have been made some changes over here. That is the reason why not showing for first system. It will definitely show. If not, it's not a mandatory thing. As of now, you can skip this, and you can cut this now over here. And what I will do here, I will first I have been added in workspace. I have not done many much changes. So what I will do, print, I will type it here, Kaizen. And what I will do, I will control save this. Okay. And there are two things. Basically, when you run this on the right click on right run Python file in terminal, so you can see it's get executed on the terminal, and you can see the Kaizen got printed. And the second thing you can do directly, so avoid this directly in the debug console as well. So you need to enter, come here, click on the debug icon, and you can see here the no configuration, and here you can see by clicking on this, basically this is the configure of fix a launch JSON file. So you need to just confirm here that you can put it as a none, and you just saved it. While clicking on it, you just need to press here. You can see the debug console Kaizen has been printed. So once the Kaizen get printed, you can change it something like, for an example, x equals to 5, y equals to 10, and when you print this, so x plus y, I'm just printing the basic calculation over here. You can put it as complex you want. So if I click on the start debugging, you can see now the calculation has been 15 has been shown here. The Kaizen is the earlier it was. So basically I made the changes as none here. Why? Just to directly put the console on the screen, because if you not, then the terminal will be shown here, and how the terminal will get executed, I will show. It's get converted on the terminal, and the rest of the values is getting shown here. So that is the reason I have been shown on the none. You can take, and if you want on the debugging, and I will just highlight this line, and you can see the red dot has been marked down. So when I will be running this on the debug, it will be asking for me, and the first you can see it's in orange color, and it's asking me for the next confirmation. So once I will be clicking on, it's get on the line number 3, and it skips the line number 2, and you can see directly, and if you click on the debug console, you can see the values got printed. So this is the simplest way you can configure the Python on the VS Code on the Windows 10 platform, and set the debugging, and print your first program in the Python language. And the same is for the Mac as well. You just need to download it and to install. There is no much configuration in Mac as well, and you just need to the if you have been installed the VS Code on the Mac, the process is almost same. Thank you for watching.